Okay, so today's lesson is going to be adding integers again. You're going to do a lot with adding integers. And it's a very important concept. And today we're going to try 2 numbers and 3 numbers. So write this down. Hit pause if you need to and write it down. Alright, first just a couple examples to make sure we remember after a long weekend of what we're supposed to do. We have -3 plus -2 is going to be -5, because when you have 2 negatives, you just add. -4 plus -2 is -6, because 4 plus 2 is 6. The other way we had, which was the harder way, is when we had 1 positive and 1 negative. Do you remember what we did then? Yep, we subtracted. So -3 plus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And is my answer going to be positive or negative? Look at this symbol. The symbol on 3, because it's the bigger number. Don't worry about 2. 3 is the bigger number, has the minus. So the answer gets the minus. But if I wrote 3 plus -2, 3 minus 2 is 1. But 3 is the bigger number, and it's positive, so this is going to be positive. 4 plus -7. 4 and 7, so 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is bigger, 7 is minus, or negative, so -3. -4 plus 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is bigger and positive, so it's a +3. That's what we worked on last week. Now, today we're going to add something to that. We're going to try, what if I have, oops, let's erase that. If I have -3 plus 2 plus -6. So now we have 3 numbers. So we're going to do the same thing, but we have to do a little bit more work. So we do these two. A negative and a positive, we subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is bigger, 3 is negative, so my answer is -1. So -1 plus -6. 2 negatives. So when there's 2 negatives, we add. 1 plus 6 is 7. So -7 is my answer. You can add lots of numbers. You can add 100 numbers if you want, but you just have to do them in steps. So let's try one more. Let's scroll down here. How about -2 plus -4 plus 6 plus -3. And remember, sometimes the book puts parentheses around the negative ones. It takes too long for me to write them, so I don't put them there, but sometimes the book does. Alright, first two, -2 and -4. Both negative, so we add 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. So -6. Then we bring down the next one, plus 6. A -6 and a +6. They are different, so we have to subtract. 6 minus 6, 0. No positive, no negative. 0 is nothing. And then we do the last piece. We got to add this part, right? Still have to add this, so 0 plus -3. 0 plus -3 is the same as 3 minus 0, which is 3, and negative. Because 3 is bigger and 3 has the sign. That's what you're going to do today.